Okay, I ain't even gon' flex this Sunday. I ain't even up next, but one day you gon' put this tape in, hit the replay, gon' vibe and you ride, chill to the music, feeling what I'm putting inside, dealing with your vulnerable side. This go hard and I ain't even try. Close your eye, just vibe with me. Do or die for life, really. When I ride and he drive in me, great spirit is my Siri. Navigate through the ways of the land, demonstrate when the kneel understand. Give me grace when I don't understand which way is the best. No, God's got a plan. Throughout my life, my hands stay dirty. Down the ride when it's necessary. Walk a line, I got no worries. Take my time, I'm in no hurry. Brothers die, so my eyes blurry. Another ride to the cemetery. Live your life, you know death coming. But I'm vaping, we gone, homie. You don't really want no problem. 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 All till I see that, till I drop down 6 feet deep in the casket, till my last breath and I breathe that. Stand on the front line, called into action. Keep my mind free, no relapse. Tryna stay clean, but the mud gon' stick. Suds in the fifth, duds on the whip. 1, 2, 5, 6, so I'm curling the silk with a pearl on the hip. Hand trigger flicker on big, piece with the wood on the grill. Black in a bit, bout to be encouraged when I slip out. Put the Hellcat on drill, smoke in the split. Get on rap on the seat, you gon' sit with a pack on your still. Been through hell, and I'll be dead if I climb down just so I can jump back in. Back tie spin when I mash out, looking for the cash out. Red zone, go for the win. Ride for my friend, most of them gone so long in the grave, but they locked in the pen. Smoke in the wind, raise up a toast to the ones that be locked down, doing a bit. Know the world ain't shit. Lord heard every prayer you lift up down there in cell block 6. As the world on tilt, everybody Leroy left. Had to put the South on drill, about this here, yeah. Bobbing with the head, now I'm mobbing in the streets I live. Let me make it clear, we some thoroughbreds in the country. Blue collar, tried and true, and if it comes down to it, and you cross that line in the red, white, and blue, boy, you better salute. You don't really want no problem. You don't really want no problem. You don't really want no problem. You don't really want no problem.